In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your wallpaper on your iPhone. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. To begin, you're going to use your finger to scroll down on your phone from the top left corner. As you can see, it scrolls down to this area. Now you're going to hold in the middle of the screen, and this is what's going to show up. These are all of the different wallpapers that I have right now. But since we want to change our wallpaper, you're going to scroll to the right and add new. And it's going to show up like so. You're going to have many different options on how you can change your wallpaper. You can change it to weather and astronomy, you can change it to certain emojis, collections, colors, and much more. So let's say I want to change it to this color. As you can see, you can change it here, and you can scroll to different types of this same color. Now you're going to click in the top right corner, Add. You can set this as a wallpaper pair, and just like that, you have a brand new wallpaper. It'll open up and be your brand new wallpaper. Now, as you can see, there is also the option to add different photos. There's suggested ones, and you can use featured photos as well. You can also go through and find your own photos in the top left corner where it says Photos. Now, that's all there is to it to changing your wallpaper. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.